process. Now tell me this process, ये जो subduction है, ये process stop हो चुका है या नहीं, चल रहा है? It's keep on. इसका मतलब है कि there is an isostatic balance नहीं है यहाँ पर, अभी भी कुछ मटेरियल जा रहा है और बन रहा है, and formation of fold mountain, and और अपने आप में एक fold mountain it is, some material is also there. तो इसका मतलब है क्या है? South America is not in isostatic equilibrium or balance. Yes or not? South America is not under isostatic equilibrium. Fourth point, there will be formation of magma. Fourth will be formation of magma will cause, yes, tell me, explosive volcanic eruptions, and there will be a volcanic island, volcanic arc. Island तो नहीं होंगे, arc तो होगा. So there will be what I said, explosive volcanic eruption and volcanic arc. जो आपने सुना होगा कभी Cotopaxi, if you have heard about Chimborazo, Aconcagua, these are, I said that part of Andes mountain, but these are volcanic mountain. तो बीच में ही उठा दिया इन्होंने volcanic, yes, killer. So explosive volcanic eruption and volcanic arc. Fifth, कैसा earthquake आएगा? Shallow, intermediate and deep focused earthquake. Shallow, intermediate and deep earthquake. हो सकता है या along the, I said that this area, it can be of any, and both are, it is in a granitic. Granitic का मतलब यह है कि silica percentage will be more. Understood? Say in this case, so it is coming from here also, it can come from here also. Is it okay? So this is the one we have seen, ocean continental convergence. I said that around 60 to 70 million years ago, what we have seen? Yes, tell me. I said that South American continental plate was moving westward, and then Nazca oceanic plate was moving eastward, and denser Nazca oceanic plate subduct during the convergence, subducting below less denser South American continental plate. During the convergence, there is a formation of what I said that formation of accretionary waste sediment and river deposit sediments, and they have been converted into Andes geosyncline. They have been converted into Andes geosyncline. Further, under the compressional force during convergence, this geosyncline has been buckled into fold mountain, which is extended from north to south. Extended from north to south, and parallel to this fold mountain, in the ocean there is in a deepest part of the ocean, oceanic trench form, and that is, I said that Peru-Chile trench, which is 6100 kilometer long and the world longest trench. And this region, and along with the fold mountain formation, isostatic balance or equilibrium has led to the formation of, I said that, which are the formation? Bolivian plateau, plateau of Mato Grosso, and then platform structure of, I said which one? Pampas region. Platform structure of Pampas. Understood? So these are the things which has been formed. But this zone is high prone to volcanic eruption. Which kind of volcanic eruption? Explosive volcanic eruption. Explosive volcanic eruption of 2-3 example दे देंगे, which are Cotopaxi, Chimborazo, and thereafter I said this zone has This zone is facing the earthquake like shallow, intermediate and deep focused earthquake. Understood? Clear? And you can write in the, what is it, more than 200 words easily, and 300 words you can also. And the UPSC can ask this question as well. Now the next one I said that Rockies and Western Cordillera. Which one I said that? Rockies and the Rockies and Western Cordillera, I am saying that one period I am saying 100 million years. Another I said that 60 million years ago. Understood? 100 million years ago, and another I said that 60 million years ago. So we have to see the first, and आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर क्या बन रहा है, and which plate is there? जुआन डी फूका. आपको जुआन डी फूका प्लेट नजर आ रहा है यहाँ पे? लगभग खत्म होने जा रहा है. Perhaps if you are watching that, the Juan de Fuca, as I have said that in the initial of the class, Pacific plate is shrinking, consuming. Over the period, this Nazca plate will also completely consumed, और ये धीरे धीरे यहाँ आ जाएगा. Yes or not? So I said that. यहाँ पर भी सेम आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग लाना है. द सेम अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू हैव टू कम अलोंग विद दिस. And here we have Juan de Fuca, which is moving eastward, and North American plate is moving. And first I am talking about 100 million years ago. And I said that what is happening 100 million years ago? I said that North American plate is moving westward, and Juan de Fuca plate is moving eastward. And during the convergence, denser Juan de Fuca plate subducting below less denser North American plate. And during the convergence, there is a formation of, yes, accretionary wedge sediment. What is the formation of accretionary wedge sediment? And thereafter there is a formation or deposition of, yes, deposition of river deposited sediments. जो पिछले में मैंने बताया, same thing that we have to say here. And here we have this is Juan de Fuca plate. This is North American plate. And then under the compressional force that I said that they have been folded and buckled into, I said that fold mountain, you know, and which has been formed? Rockies. So we have been able to get Rockies fold mountain. अंडरस्टूड? तो क्या क्या 5 चीजें हुई होंगी? व्हाट आर द 5 थिंग्स मस्ट हैव हैपेंड? यस, buckling of the fold mountain, formation of plateau, oceanic trench, and explosive volcanic eruption, and then shallow, deep, and intermediate and deep focus earthquake. Understood? And when it has been formed, this is clear, and thereafter there is an oceanic trench. लेकिन जब ये बन रहा था तो rivers are depositing sediments, you must be knowing. When it has been formed, now the second stage I am talking about. After the formation of Rockies, I said that first formation, which is started around 100, means better to say 80 to 90 million years ago. Second, I said that formation of Sierra Nevada, Cascade Range, Sierra Nevada, Cascade Range, Coast Range, Coast Mountain, Alaska Range, etc. So first period is formation of, I said that, Rockies Mountain, which is around 80 to 90 million years ago. Understood? And thereafter there is a trench formation has been there after that, and this trench has been again filled up with what I said that accretionary waste sediment, and that is I said that around 50 to 60 million years ago. जो इनकी formation कब हुई? Their formation is around, I said that, started 52, and thereafter there is an also deposition of, तो जो ट्रेंच बना था, this trench has been again filled up. This trench has been again filled up. Understood? Clear? लेकिन this time आप देखोगे कि जुआन डी फूका प्लेट क्या हो चुका है, अब बहुत सारा जा चुका है. The जुआन डी फूका प्लेट is very less now, and comparatively it is not able to put in a large amount of force. It is not able to put in a same amount of force as it is earlier. You know that momentum has been reduced, mass has been reduced, means momentum has been reduced, and now it started putting in a force, and then Rockies has what is in a pushed this side, and there is an, I said that, formation of, I said that, another series of mountain ranges, another series of, and which are, I said that, along this coast. तो रॉकीज अब किधर है आपके डेट में? आई सेड द रॉकीज माउंटेन रेंज इज हियर, रॉकीज माउंटेन रेंज इज हियर, एंड देन सियरा नेवादा इज हियर, दिस इज सियरा नेवादा, कैस्केड रेंज इज हियर, दिस इज कैस्केड, एंड हियर इट इज कोस्ट रेंज, सियरा नेवादा, कैस्केड, कोस्ट. आप जाके अपना उसमें देख लेंगे एटलस में, Sierra Nevada, Cascade, Coast, and there is an in Canada the Coast Mountain इसको कहते हैं, and here we have now what? Alaska Range. Understood? Understood? So which are the mountains has been formed? लोग बोलते हैं ना, सारे लोग कस के पकड़ लो. जब टाइटैनिक डूब रही थे सारे लोग कस के पकड़ रहे थे, और सबके दिमाग में ये आ रहा था somehow I should reach near to the coast. और एक बार नहीं आ रहा था, 2 बार आ रहा था, कोस्ट पे जाना है, कोस्ट वाला स्थान जाना है, ऐसा ना, वाला मीन्स अलास्का. जब मैं याद आऊंगा वर्ल्ड में बताऊंगा आप लोगों को, वर्ल्ड की कुछ पोर्शन की ज्योग्राफी के लिए. यू हैव टू कम इन द इवनिंग क्लासेस. आई सेड दैट सियरा नेवादा, कैस्केड रेंज, कोस्ट माउंटेन, ये तीनों यूएसए में है. कोस्ट माउंटेन इज इन कनाडा, and Alaska range in the again then part of USA, Alaska. Understood? So this way 50 to 60 million years ago again it has been formed, and now you can be able to see, like I said that, अब ये कहाँ चला गया? It is in a kind of it and again there is a formation of, I said that, what will be there? Buckling of fold mountain, plateaus, yes or no? Plateaus, and then oceanic trench, explosive volcanic eruptions, and then shallow, intermediate and deep focused earthquake. Now this region has been again filled up by the Krishna river sediment and river deposited. आज के डेट में यूएसए के कोस्ट पे ट्रेंच नहीं है, ध्यान में रखिएगा. दिस